Kumusta? Ang ganda rito. Nakakabusog sa mata. Marami kayong magagandang nature na makikita. Ayan. Ayan, nakikita niyo yan. Ito. Hindi akin yan.
Sa'yo yan?
Nakikita niyo yan? Hindi rin namin.
Pinakamatagabit ko yung isang perubahan ko dito sa Luzon. Siguro magalang alas 4 dito.
Hello.
Ma'am, sir.
Yay. Smile. Hello, mama and sir. How was your Yay!
So, okay, ma'am, sir, good morning.
Good morning.
So, of course po, all of us are welcome here in our place, Tabang Mangrove Paddle Motor. So, by the way po, my name is Rino.
Rino?
Yeah, Rino. I'm your serve as a boatman po, and also as a guide. So now we need to speak Taglish or in English, mix of Tagalog in English, because there are some foreign po. So this river po are the Tabang River. Are mixed po ng salt water and fresh water. So those are the meaning of Sabang. Sabang means sab from the word of salt, water from the sea. Bang naman po it's from the word of tubig tabang or fresh water.
Okay.
Salty with tabang.
Okay.
But now po it's a low tide po tayo. But they are starting to going high tide na po siya.
What's the difference? Low tide, high tide.
During high tide po, the water they are more higher.
Yeah, but how
Very
much?
good question.
More than 1 meter up.
Only 1 meter.
Yes. More than. Almost all of the roots of mangrove in the lower part are covered by water.
I see.
And during full high tide also, the water here are clear water. So usually po, you can see the bottom. So you can see they have big oysters in the ground.
Yeah.
So someone tells me to stop to take picture, but I'm not promise you can see all of them. So I know you, so I show you the mangrove snake. Because the mangrove snake I know already where they are. Because those snakes are nocturnal. So just only sleeping in a whole day lang po sila. Then they are active po sila during night. So that's why we saw our first store. So until this afternoon, so we saw them
Fish.
in the one place only.
Fish.
The needle fish. Or
Needle
some people
fish.
call it a swordfish.
Wow. Oh. There's the one.
But of course po, our main tourist attraction po in the area, so those trees po, na you can see both side of the river or mangrove tree, because in the whole country po, in the Philippines, we have many different species of mangrove. Actually po, we have 40 different species of mangrove in the country. But just only 4 of them po sa our riverbank po na area of Sabang, but in the whole area of Sabang, we have 8 species.
Hello.
But just only 4 lang po I show you. So the 4 types of mangrove po we have here, you know po, we have male and female mangrove.
Ano yung buhaya?
So we have a male mangrove, female mangrove. They have also
Is that
tabigi
crocodile?
and sain.
Paano malalaman pag ano?
So ano po ma'am sir, you can recognize or you can distinguish those mangrove tree kasi they have different po sila between through their leaves, to the color of their bark, through the root formation, and also through their seeds or through their fruit. Like po in your left side po, this one po, look at the mangrove tree, the roots are compact or closer together. So those are the busain mangrove tree. That one, and they have some red tiny flower. That is a busain mangrove or Bruguera gimorrhaeae. Then sa right side naman na po natin, look at those leaves of those tree, the narrow pointed or small leaves, that is a male mangrove tree. And look at the roots are different because the roots are steep up in the ground. They have many roots, they are steep up. So look like a legs of people. That's why they call it mangrove. Because mangrove meaning this Malayan dialect. Meaning man is people, grove is forest. So mangrove, people, forest. Because look like a walking man.
Is there some people also living in this
No po sir, we are not allowed po.
because we are living together with
Those are the female po, mangrove po in your left side. Look at those trees, they are blending in the river. Look at the leaves are wider leaves. This one po,
these
that's a female. This one. The wider leaves. Or the shape of the leaves are little bit oval. Female mangrove tree or Rhizopora mucronata, their scientific name, because the male mangrove Rhizopora apiculata.
Huwag mong tinakot, baka tumalon si Angel.
Ganda mo.
Nung magpunta ako rito, Brad, pero silang kasama ko, first time dito.
Ganda.
Parang feel na talaga kasi yung audio.
Leather mouse angel. Weird. Okay, Batman. Regalo.
Sa right side po, follow the light. Right side, yan yung Virgin Mary.
Ah, the Virgin Mary. Meron pa nga dito bro, di ba yung Last Supper?
Yan.
Ito yung Last Supper dito.
Ganda, oh.
Si Tasha nagpinta.
Amazing.
Si Tasha nagpinta.
Angel.
Ito yung Last Supper? Ang ganda nito, no?
Of course, this is the head and wings. Right?
Aha, oo, kawaii.
Grabe no. Ang ganda.
Parang, parang na tayo muna sa ano?
Holy Family.
Holy Family.
Shadow at the back, yung shadow niya.
Aha, oo nga. Holy Family.
Japanese sweet. Mabuting kabuti.
Hardcore.
Ayan, mani.
Hot peanut. Wow.
No nga. Busog.
Oh.
Oh my God. Sila Slender Mouse. No.
Dami.
Oh.
Sige.
Oh.
Rock formation.
Sarap.
May nasupper dito eh. Ayun. Ayan. Ayun. The last supper.
Ayan, pabalik na tayo.
Picture daw ko yun. May timer? May timer siguro? May timer. Check mo nga. No. Because of this.
Wake up now. Wash your head. Okay, so Ma'am Sir, yan, maraming salamat po sa pagbisita niyo dito sa Puerto Princesa Underground River. At sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo. Are you enjoy? Happy?
Yes.
Kaya ako
Yeah.
broadcast.
Finally, congratulations everyone. And we are now considered a group of survivor. Thanks God,
Survivor.
we made it. Thank you for coming and God bless you all.
This is my second time, Brad. Second time ko na rito, pero nagandaan pa rin ako. Sana alagaan yung maigi.
Nakakasawa siya.
Hindi siya nakakasawa.
Maraming pinag-power talaga dito.
Ito, gano'ng kalalim to?
Dito sir, yung pinakamalalim dito siguro. Ano siguro? 15 feet.
15 feet.
Malalim din.
Do it again.